Welcome back, everybody. My name is Andrew, and this is Kite Army. So check out what I got on deck today. This is the Sun Joe SPX3000 pressure washer. Now, this pressure washer is the #1 pressure washer on Amazon. In fact, they sold 10,000 units in the last month, and my job here today is to figure out exactly why and is it worth it? Now, some really quick specifications of this pressure washer is that it is rated at 2030 PSI, and it will put out approximately 1.7 gallons per minute. Now, the standard in this class is about 1.2 gallons per minute. So ideally, you're looking for the highest PSI and the highest gallons per minute to do the most cleaning. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is on Amazon. It's priced between $150 and $160. There's a little bit of fluctuation based on the volume. Now, this Sun Joe pressure washer comes equipped with a number of nozzles. Now, these different nozzles mean you can use it for different applications. So this thing would be great for cars, fences, patios, walkways, siding of your house, just general things around your home. This pressure washer would work well for it. So when I first checked out this pressure washer, there were a few things that jumped out at me that really separate it from other pressure washers in this price range. Let me show you what they are. First off, you've got a pro grade hose. This is really flexible. It won't kink. I really like that hose. Secondly, your power cord is super long. Check out how long that power cord is. It means you can kind of work around your house without worrying about where the outlets are. Now, the next thing is it has actually 2 containers for detergent right here. So you can put one kind of detergent in this side, another kind of detergent in this side, and then you can mix how much detergent each one releases by using this dial right here. Now, the last thing about this pressure washer that I really like is here's your different nozzles right here. You can see they actually have the angle of the nozzle right there. That's a 40-degree nozzle. That will be lower pressure, and you work your way down. These just click in there, and you work your way down all the way to a 0-degree nozzle down here. This will just be the finest pressure, the most pressure. You want to be careful when you use this. Now, the last nozzle, this black one right here, is the soap nozzle. You actually have to use this nozzle if you want to put any of the detergent on whatever you're cleaning. So if you want to use a detergent, you actually have to use the black nozzle. But I do like the storage of the nozzles conveniently in the back of the unit right here. So now that we've got that out of the way, let me show you really quickly how to put this pressure washer together, and then of course we're gonna get to work. All right, guys, it's time to get a little dirty. Here we go. Looking pretty good. It slices, dices, and even cuts watermelon. Watermelon never tastes so good. All I can say is pressure washing never tasted so good. So here's the wrap up on the Sun Joe SPX3000. Now, Amazon sells hundreds of thousands of these pressure washers per month. There's a link to that right down below if you want to go and check it out for yourself. But I was like, how are they doing that? What's so special about this pressure washer? Well, I can say for the price around 150 bucks, this is the best value of any pressure washer I've ever tested. It's got a ton of nozzles, a ton of features, an awesome hose on it that's really flexible, long extension cord, and tons of cleaning power. Okay, let's end with the watermelon joke. Why do watermelons have fancy weddings? Because they can't elope! Ha ha ha! When you're done laughing with that joke, you go over there. Right there, that video right there. Cantaloupe!